Hello guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm gonna show you that how can you see how many posts you have liked on your Instagram account from your Instagram account. So just follow the steps which I'm going through. So this is my Instagram account you can see, and this is the home page. And when you just click on your profile option on the right bottom of the screen, just click on that. So yes, this is the profile option here, and we will just click on the three dots on the top, and now after that you have to click on the your activity log on the third here. So when you click here, you can see interactions and interactions in likes. So these are the posts which I have liked till the date, and you can see all them today, and also you can unlike the photos from here. So thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with the next and the best video.